Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase your limit on Coinbase. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the Coinbase application right here in the home section. All you have to do is go to the top left section for the three dots. And then from here, as you can see, you can have all the options necessary. Then you're going to click on the top for your account and settings. Now from here, as you can see, when you scroll down, you will see limits. And then from here, once you click here, you can see all the limits that are set on your account. Now, the method to increase the limit, the best method is going to be to verify your account first fully. That will increase them to double. And then from there, you're going to depend on your purchases and your history on the account. So the more that you purchase for cryptocurrencies, the more your limit will increase by the time. It will happen slowly, and each one will take 2 weeks for it to actually apply. But all you have to do is just use your account and trade more slowly and then check up on the limit every day to see how much it increases. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that you have your authenticated app. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.